Welcome YouTube. What we got here today is we have a customer that came in with a complaint that the sunroof won't close. So I'm going to introduce you to Tim here. He's going to explain the details as to what was going on and why it failed. And just a little side note, this customer was quoted about $5,500 at the dealer to replace the sunroof cassette. We'll be able to do this for a lot less expensive by replacing just the broken parts. So Tim?
So rather than replace the entire assembly, we can still use the frame and replace all the intricate pieces of the panoramic sunroof. Usually the panoramic sunroof has issues with the rear lid raising and lowering, and that conflicts with the rest of the actual sunroof glass motion. So we're going to replace all these little tiny parts that come as a kit, and then we should have full motion back on our entire sunroof, rather than replace the entire assembly.
Alright, well thanks for watching. We appreciate any likes or comments. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. Thanks again everyone.
KHODROiD.com. Auto parts and accessories online shop.